going on, everybody? Brandon Wynn, sales manager here at Palm Harbor Homes in Conroe, the Super Center. I'm here today with
Miami, also a professional housing consultant here in Conroe. Today we kind of wanted to go over what steps to take when getting a house. Currently, I am in the process of looking for a home myself. First step that I'm looking to do is getting that pre-approval. Now, Brandon, for somebody that's young, just started building my credit up, what do you say, for all those out there that are looking to get a home?
Well, the first step, guys, is you need to get your butt down to Conroe. Come see Miami or Brandon. It takes about 10-15 minutes. We're going to get you pre-qualified. Guys, we work with 10 different lenders. We're not the bank, so we don't care who you use. We're going to submit you to all of them, get your approvals back, make those banks fight for your business, and let you come in and pick the best approval for you guys. If you're worried about your credit, guys, we can approve 500 and up. If you have land, your credit doesn't even matter. So all it takes is you guys coming in, sitting down with us, taking 10-15 minutes out of your day, and we're going to find you the perfect home for you.
Yeah, so if you're looking for a home, head to Conroe, ask for Miami, the Homing Pro.
You can reach us at 936-273-6565 or conroe.palmharbor.com. We're located off of 45 South, exit 81, Palm Harbor Homes in Conroe, the Super Center. Buy from Brandon, because with Brandon, you know you're going to win. See you guys soon.
See you soon.